Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to avoid and cause error that we get it whenever we apply in the font or some icons. Some of the corporate companies would block the access of a CDN links, and also whenever we are communicating to the CDN link, there is high data transfer that's happening between our current site and the site that we are going to refer, like Font Awesome or Bootstrap. So to avoid that and to have a smoother access into our website, what we do is that firstly, there are a few steps that we can follow to access the icons from our local system that which would avoid the cross origin access. So you can see you have to search for the font awesome in Google, and there will be a download option. And if you go to the download option, there are two variations that is available, one for the web and one for the desktop. And again, under the web, we have two different things, one for pro and one for web. I mean, free for web. So here, when you go for pro for web, what will happen? You will have to pay for this. So it's always recommended for we go for a free for web as we are going to go in only a trial phase. Now you could see that I already have these downloaded into my local system. So I'll just go to that downloaded folder and I'll take a copy of this. And you can go to the desired folder where you want to keep a new project. And you can answer this. Meantime, let's open this from the command Visual Studio Code. Open this part. And now you could, when you open this folder and check, you can see that there are lots of CSS and JS file that has been downloaded to our local system. With the help of this, we can make use of the Fontasm icons from the local reference instead of going ahead with the online link or the CDN link. So here you can also see there are some of the web fonts whichever is supporting the Fontasm is also getting downloaded, and there are some SVGs which is getting downloaded, and there are also sprites images which is getting downloaded. SES is for the SAS are supporting files as in logics for applying the Fontasm icons. So we know whenever we apply a CDN link, we will be taking this all.min.css. So all the other things it's are only a supporting files. And if we add this, most of the things will be added to our project. So we'll go ahead and create a new file and see how to make use of this local reference. You have to create a new file. Call it as index.html. You can see that there is an index.html. So here I'll just call in a default template. The file did not get created properly. I'm creating it once again. You can see the documents are coming up now. So whenever we want to reference an external child sheet, we go ahead and apply a CSS from this head tag. Same way, I'm just making use of the emit abbreviation from the Visual Studio Code to apply the style sheet. And here you can see that I have to, as I have the local reference, I'm pointing to the local reference which is in the current folder. And then I would go to the CSS folder. And as I said you, we are going to reference the all.main.css. So after we reference this, we have to check if it's working fine or not. So for that purpose, what we'll do is we'll go to and apply one navigation bar and also URL. Inside the LL, we'll be applying an icon. So for applying the font awesome icons, we can use the class by FA-home, or if you want anything else different, also you can browse through the font awesome icon website and find out the relevant one that will suit for project. Here for brands, you can see there is something called services stack. So for the services, I'll use this. And let's now go ahead and see the output of this by giving a copy path. And let me go here. You could see that now the font awesome icons are getting applied. So this is the way we apply font awesome by using a local reference for downloading the font awesome icon from the net. So in case of any doubts, please keep me posted into the chat window. I'll try to record it and share it in the